To get started, simply click on the menu button located in the upper right panel, and then on the Create Page option. Now, select the page category. You can choose between business or brand and community or public figure. In our case, we are going to choose the business or brand category. Once you select the category, click on the Get Started button located below your chosen category. Next up, you'll have to enter a name for your page in the page name field, and then to enter a category keyword in the category field. Make sure to enter a keyword that appropriately describes your business activity, your niche, or your industry. You can then select the more specific category from the available suggestions. Then click on Continue. Next up, you'll have to click on the Upload a Profile Picture button to upload a profile picture for your page. Next, you'll have to click on the Upload a Cover Photo button to also add a cover photo for your page. Awesome! Your page is being created, and it is time to customize it with your business and contact information. Start by clicking on the Page Options menu button located below the cover image, and then click on the Edit Page Info option. You can start by adding additional categories in the Categories field to make it easier for people to find your page using niche keywords. Make sure to click on Save Changes after updating each block of information. Now scroll down to add your contact information, or simply click on the Contact tab on top of the window. Here you have to specify how people can contact your business by checking the boxes corresponding to the contact methods available, which include contact by phone, through website, and by email. In our case, we're going to deselect the Has a Phone Number option so people can only contact us through our website or our email address. We then enter and save our website address in the website field and our main contact email address in the email field. Now scroll down to Locations. Here you will be able to specify your exact business location on a map by dragging and repositioning and by entering your exact address information on the street address, city, and zip code fields available above the map. Or you can simply deselect the Has a Street address as well as the Customers Visit My Business at My Street address in case your business is not location-based such as ours. Make sure to save all your changes before closing this window. Now your page info and contact details have been updated. And that is it. Now your Facebook page is ready for some marketing. Next up, we will be showing you how to create and promote your first Facebook page post the right way. So tune in.